In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal debit card expiration date. If you need to quickly check when your PayPal debit card expires, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This can be useful if you're updating a payment method, confirming card details for a purchase, or just making sure your card is still current before using it. To begin, open PayPal and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Wallet section and click on it. The Wallet area is where PayPal keeps your saved payment methods, cards, and related account information, so this is the right place to go whenever you need to review card details. After you open Wallet, find the PayPal debit card you want to check. If you have more than one card or payment method listed, take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct PayPal debit card. Go ahead and click on that card to open its details. Once the card is selected, you'll be taken to the card information page. Here you'll be able to see the card details associated with that debit card, including the expiration date. This is the key information you're looking for, and it should be displayed along with the rest of the card's basic details. If you don't immediately see the expiration date, make sure you're viewing the correct card details page and not just a general wallet overview. In most cases, selecting the card directly is what reveals the additional information. Also, depending on whether you're using the PayPal website or mobile app, the layout may look slightly different, but the overall steps are the same, and that's all there is to it. Just click Wallet, select the PayPal debit card you want to check, and then view the card details where the expiration date appears. This is a quick and easy way to confirm your card information whenever you need it. If you're following along, just take your time and double-check that you've opened the right card so you see the correct expiration date.